Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review of the oil change valves that you can get. A ton of different brands, usually range from 20-30 bucks. I'll give you some perspectives of what I think of the one I have and if I recommend it. Now the vehicle we're going to be working on is my 84 Mercedes 300D, and the valve that has on it is what it came with when I bought the car. So I personally would never have bought one, but I'm going to show you how it works and how it goes with draining your oil. So that's the valve right there. This car gets used a lot. I live on a dirt road with a dirt driveway, so it's pretty dirty down here. One thing you do want to make sure is when you're using a valve like this, at least with a diesel, where I have 15 W40 oil, is it has to be hot. Like if you don't have your oil hot when you go to drain it, it will take forever. Now I'm going to do my best to show you how I drain it. It's pretty easy, but it's really hard to get a good angle. So you got to lift up on the lever and turn it out. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell in the video, but it's going now. And once I open it up, I like to come up to the top of the engine and open this up. By opening up the top of the engine, the crankcase, it keeps from forming a vacuum in there while it's trying to drain out. Makes it go a little bit faster, but really the big thing I can't stress enough is making sure that you open up that you heat up the engine before you open up the valve. Otherwise it's going to take a very long time to drain. So while we're letting the oil drain, I just wanted to go through and give you guys the pros and cons that I see with the oil drain valve. The cons first. I think the biggest con for me is how long it takes to drain the oil. If you're just using a drain plug, especially if the oil's hot on this car, well, because I had a 79 before this 84, and it was about normal 5 minutes to drain the oil. With the oil valve, because this diameter is so much smaller of that drain hole, it takes a lot longer, probably close to 20-30 minutes. And you can find other stuff to do. You can take the oil filter out, change it, check different things, and so it just makes you take your time and smell the roses, I guess. But that's my biggest drawback. And the second con, the only other con I can think of, is the price. $25 is pretty cheap. I looked it up, that's how much it costs for this car. But a replacement plug is like $3. So it's not like you're saving a ton of money doing it this way. You're not really saving any money, and you're not saving any time. So those are my two cons. Because with any product, they really, in my opinion, it should either be saving me time or saving me money, and this doesn't either. Now the pros. It does do what it advertises. There's no leaks, there's no tools required to open it, and it makes it pretty easy and simple. Anyone could go down there and not mess anything up. You could tell anybody to change your oil, get down there, open the valve, and they're not going to drain your transmission by accident or something stupid like that. So it's got its pros, and if somebody really wanted to buy one, I would say go ahead, definitely buy it. If you're on the fence and you don't know if it's worth the money, I'd hold back personally. If my car didn't have it on there when I bought it, I'd never would have put one on. But it works well enough that I'm not going to take it off just because it has it on. So I hope this review was useful. So if you wanted to buy one, buy one. If you don't want them, don't buy one. It works well, just a little bit pricey. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.